Hello all, and thank you for tuning in to Back 40 ADV. Today we'll be hiking Fall Branch Falls trails in the Rich Mountain Wilderness. A beautiful waterfall sits at a half-mile mark of this out and back 1 mile hike. Rich Mountain sits approximately 4,040 feet and also sits inside the Chattahoochee National Forest. I often look to the past for insight while walking through the areas like Fall Branch Falls. The name Chattahoochee means River of Painted Rocks. The Chattahoochee Indians used much of North Georgia mountains as their home. The Indian Removal Act, which was pushed through Congress in 1830 by then-President Andrew Jackson, removed the Cherokee, Muskogee, Creek, and other smaller tribes from their homeland. The removal process took approximately 30 years to complete. The famous Trail of Tears was the corridor used to move these tribes to the land they did not know in Oklahoma. The hardship they endured was the reason for the naming of the trail. Given the circumstances, I feel honored to walk among these pathways that these amazing people once called home. As a form of respect, I teach my kids to pick up trash along the ways. I also make videos like these so that we don't have to forget the sacrifices that these people once made. Fall Branch Falls sits outside of Cherry Log, Georgia and Blue Ridge, Georgia, and is also a part of the Benton-McKay Trail. Even though the famous Sasquatch was fabled and originated in the Pacific Northwest, you can experience this well-known phenomenon at Cherry Log, Georgia's very own Expedition Bigfoot Museum. Blue Ridge, Georgia is also well known for its 26-mile scenic railway that takes you from the famous state line of McKaysville, Georgia and Cooper Hill, Tennessee. A blue line will separate the two towns. Watch your step, okay? The Fall Branch Falls Trails is perfect for small children and all around a good family outing. The trail is littered with beautiful rhododendrons that encompass the area. I'm almost positive that springtime the rhododendrons will be an amazing sight during full bloom. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My goal is to share how cool nature and history can be and hopefully to learn from it. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you guys on the next trail. Been a job.